Hi guys, Happy New Year. I hope you've had a great start to the new year and you're enjoying this time with your family. I hope the first couple of days of the year have been nice and kind to you. And I've at least started my new year on a very good positive note, even though the 31st December celebration didn't feel like a celebration to me because I was very busy. I was wrapping up my contract. It was my day to hand over everything and finish stuff. So, yeah, that was a very, very busy day for me. In fact, in the entire month of December was very busy for me. So now walking into January without any big work related commitments, I feel very, very relaxed and I feel good. And it's actually nice, for once to not have to chase a deadline or, just kind of slow down and do things on my own schedule. Like I do kind of wake up around the same time and stuff, but you know how it is, like मेरा मेरे दिन के ऊपर ज़्यादा कंट्रोल है अबाउट मुझे कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, आज कौन सी चीज़ों पे काम करना है, क्या देखना है. So it feels nice. And yeah, I just wanted to like hop here and say Happy New Year to all of you, and also share that I do have a couple of videos planned in my head about what I want to do in the new year. This year, especially pertaining to New Zealand. But before I kind of, sit down to record and film stuff, I actually want to understand what your thoughts are about what do you want to know, because I know a lot of people who come my way. Their questions are around just teaching in general in New Zealand. And sometimes what happens is that even after telling folks that this is something I don't know about each and every sector, like मेरी जो expertise है वो अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन में है, सो विच इज़ प्री प्राइमरी या जो आप 0 to 5 years का एज ग्रुप है उसमें है. पर जब आई sometimes have calls with people who are looking for information around primary education, secondary education, even for that matter, somebody reached out to me about becoming a professor in New Zealand. So I just want to like categorically say to folks that I'm happy to help. It's not like I can't get on a call. I don't mind doing that, but the reason why I kind of always say that I can only help with early childhood because मेरा भी contacts भी उसी field में है और मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग और एक्सपर्टीज़ भी उसी फील्ड में है. तो मेरा जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगा वो उसी फील्ड से रिलेटेड होगा. प्राइमरी के बारे में मुझे उतना पता नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला होगा उसके बारे में मैं जानती हूँ, और सेकेंडरी के बारे में तो आई डोंट रियली नो मच. सो या द आइडिया इज़ दैट आई डू वांट टू हेल्प यू आउट, बट प्लीज़ like keep that in mind, keep that mental note that when you're reaching out to me that yeah, okay, this person is only able to give me a picture of how things are in the early childhood teaching sector. उसके अलावा अगर आपको यूनिवर्सिटी की पढ़ाई के बारे में जानना है, मेरा पढ़ाई का पैटर्न क्या था, वहाँ पे रहते कैसे हैं न्यूजीलैंड में, लाइक हाउ इज़ लाइफ इन ऑकलैंड, वेलिंगटन, क्राइस्ट चर्च. आई हैव लिव्ड इन ऑल द 3 cities. आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प, एंड आई हैव created services about both these two things. So there is a service which is about living/studying in NZ, and there is a service which is about ECE in NZ. So आपको जो preferable है, जिस एरिया के बारे में जानना है, you can book that particular service with me, and this is on Topmate. And also one great announcement, I have now opened up my calendar and I have now started giving out more time to my one-on-one calls, since there were a few people who reached out to me and said that Saturdays and Sundays it's difficult for them as well, and if I could have more timings, and I know मैं पहले नहीं कर पाती थी because मेरा full time commitment था, and I had to work those hours, and I could not really get out of those hours and manage anything between, because I was committed to being honest with whatever hours I had signed up for. So that's why I could only do calls in the weekends mostly, and a few on Friday nights as well. So yeah, coming back to what my schedule is going to look like. So now I'll have my calendar open. You can book a call with me Monday, Friday, कभी भी, मतलब उसमें स्लॉट्स हैं, तो आपको दिखेगा कि मेरे स्लॉट्स कहाँ कहाँ किस किस दिन अवेलेबल हैं. तो अब बेसिकली ऑल थ्रू आउट द वीक आपको स्लॉट मिल सकता है. आई बिलीव संडे इज़ समथिंग दैट आई probably have not kept myself available because I need some time to kind of spend time with my family and do my own things. But other than that, I do have my entire week up free. So go ahead, book a call, and let me know if there is some other topics you would actually want to discuss with me over a call, and I can create a service accordingly and tailor it to what you guys need. So हो सकता है some of you want to talk about changing careers, some of you want to talk about maybe something like doing an IELTS exam, or what is the experience of it. Like, I don't want to do a one-on-one IELTS coaching at this time, because it's something that requires a lot of tailoring and continuous working, because हर student का need अलग होता है. तो मुझे उसको justice देना है. If I ever teach IELTS again in my life, I have done once. Yeah, even if you want to request a service for that, you want to understand what the pattern is like, so you can let me know in the comments. Basically, अगर कोई ऐसा एरिया है जिसके बारे में आपको लगता है मुझसे वन ऑन वन वीडियो कॉल करके आप ज़्यादा जानकारी जान सकते हैं, तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो, एंड आई विल टेक अ लुक एट द कमेंट्स वट एवर यू हैव मेंशन एंड क्रिएट services accordingly. And also, one more thing, I had somebody reach out to me a couple of weeks ago, asking why am I not doing my free calls that I did once. When I started out doing these video consultations, I did have a free call. So I just want to put it out there that when I did my free calls, the intention was to kind of help people, and जो लोग मे बी सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन जानना चाहते हैं. तो आई हैड लाइक अ 15-20 minutes का कॉल दैट वाज सेट अप, बट दोज कॉल्स यूज्ड टू गो ऑन फॉर लाइक 45 minutes, 1 hour. One also went on for like 1.5 hours. And because I'm a person who doesn't like to just cut off from calls and be like, okay, fine, we're on time and I should leave. At least that's not what I am aiming to do ever in the future as well. So it was very difficult for me to manage those calls. और मुझे बहुत bookings आते थे. Like my most of my weekends used to be packed because of those calls, and I just thought that I'm not able to serve a purpose. Like, people would book a call for a certain reason, but they would end up discussing something else, and I didn't see value like for my time. Like, मैं आपके साथ अगर 20 minutes का कॉल बुक कर रही हूँ और आप अगर 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा कॉल कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, तो that is not good for me or my upcoming, the person who is waiting on the line is like for the next call is also like, it's a waste of their time as well. So basically, the reason that I did remove that service or pause that service was so that only people who genuinely want information, are serious about exploring the option of going to NZ, book that call with me. So therefore, I have very specific services now available which are all paid. So if I would ever get a free service, I don't know, maybe इन द फ्यूचर इफ़ आई फील द नीड ऑफ इट, बट फ़िलहाल ऐसा नहीं होगा। और इसका कारण एक और ये भी है कि मैं मैक्सिमम चीज़ें ऑलरेडी अपने यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ में शेयर करती हूँ, विच बेसिकली इज़ फ्री इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो वट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई वुड have to share with you on a one-on-one call, I do touch upon those things on my YouTube videos and have been. That's the idea of not why I don't think a free consultation call is something that I am going to bring, at least for now. Like it's going to stay the way it is. I'm sorry, but you'll have to pay. Sorry. But anyways, so yeah, if you have to book a call with me, go ahead, do it. My calendar is free. I'm happy to chill and talk to you all. It's always a great experience to meet you folks, talk, have one-on-one calls with you guys. And yeah, I guess that's the energy with which I'm starting my new year as well, where I'm looking forward to meeting more people, building a bigger network, connecting, and also kind of advancing my career in different ways. I also want to be able to kind of experience new work environments. So that's my aim. And now as I plan my next couple of months, like what am I going to do moving forward, because at the moment I'm just like freelancing and there's nothing like big commitment, so it's given me time to kind of even think about what I want to do. And yeah, I'm keeping fingers crossed, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ चीज़ें सोच के रखी हैं कि ये चाहिए मुझे, ये करना है, और जब हो जाए, जैसे हो जाए, मैं ज़रूर यहाँ पे आके शेयर करूँगी. एंड या, सो कीपिंग माई फिंगर्स क्रॉस दैट आई होप जो मैंने सोचा है अपने करियर के लिए, अपने ग्रोथ के लिए, वो सब चीज़ें पूरी हों. आप लोग ने जो सोचा है वो सब पूरी हो, कामनाएं, आशाएं. सो या, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू प्रॉब्ली send all good luck and good vibes to all of you. And this feels like a great year to do new things. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.